welcome back to another video. So I'm sorry that I look a little bit goofy, but right now we're at the Exotics Network's Giving Grand Prix event. It's gonna be an absolutely insane event. There's supercars rolling in right now, and we're actually on drone duty. So I'm basically gonna put this camera down. I'm gonna start recording all these cars coming in. We got this little mic thing right here because since we are on media, we're basically gonna try to coordinate all of the Exotics Network teams so that we can get the perfect shots for everybody, including their YouTube, hopefully mine as well. And yeah, hopefully we can turn out a really good video for you guys. Stick around all the way to the end. We're gonna stick some instant 360s on some crazy cars, so stick around and let's get started. All right guys, so front and center we have a Lamborghini Murcielago covered in these beautiful lights. And ever since I basically showed y'all that other clip, there has been a whole bunch of cars that have showed up. From what y'all can see right here, the whole lot is basically filled up to the max. So yeah, we're gonna do a full walk around of all the cars that we have here. There was a bunch of cars that did get wrapped in Christmas lights that are gonna look so beautiful. So yeah, let's do a quick walk around. What up, brother? But before the quick walk around, check out this beautiful Ford GT that just showed up. Alrighty, now let's go to a few montages.
Alright, so these next few clips, the audio was complete garbage because I accidentally left my microphone inside of my pocket, but I basically did a little bit of a walk around before the parade lap started, and we had this really clean Countach that passed by. This thing is so nice. And then we also had, I think this is gonna be a Ferrari 360 right here if I'm not mistaken. We got a couple Porsches right here. We got a really clean McLaren 600 LT, nice Mercedes. We got a 570S, I believe this is. We got a Porsche right here, another Mercedes, and then we got a clean Huracan Technica. We also got a white Porsche with some Christmas lights and Rudolph on the inside. We got a black Porsche right here, a Ferrari 488. Then we got a really clean Porsche GT2 RS. It almost looks like a red, but I think it's a lava orange. We got Clayton's V10 Viper right here. This man took it all the way out to the Nürburgring. That's absolutely insane. This man really drives it. We also got a Urus Performante SF90 at the end, Corvette, NSX, Ferrari F12, McLaren 720S, and a Gallardo right here. We got a really clean GT3 RS in a lizard green, I believe, Ferrari 458 and Ferrari 488. Really special cars. McLaren's right here. We got Peter's car starting up, and then right here is where the parade laps officially started.
All right, boys, officially game time. They are 30 seconds out, so we're getting the drone up in the air and we're about to fly it over there. show, and literally as soon as we came in, there was some supercars over there, but the hypercar section is insane. We got this Ford GT, but right beside it, I think this is like a Mark II, Mark I Ford GT. This thing looks so insane. Has maroon red carbon fiber, as y'all can see right there. That is one of the most insane hypercars, I should even say. It's actually a race car, not even hypercar. It's like a hypercar race car. Looks so insane. We got a really clean McLaren 570S right there, but right behind it we have a yellow Aventador. Or actually, this might be the orange Aventador S that we've seen before on the channel and that we've actually ridden before, or alongside with over there in San Antonio. It just looks kind of yellow right here with the lighting. Right here we have Supercars Stevens Lamborghini Aventador SV with some Christmas lights, but the cool thing is he actually has a green Aventador SV, which is this one, but he put green lights on it. He also put green Scotch tape. This is such a cool spec. And then we have Vendetti's Lamborghini Revuelto with, I think, the Duke Dynamics wide body kit. We also have an Aston Martin right here with these really clean lights. The way this man did it is super duper nice. Alright guys, so right now Peter started up his car and just started revving the crap out of it. It sounds so good. I'm guessing Max is leaving too, so we're gonna try to come capture a little bit of clips of these boys leaving. These cars are gonna sound insane. I haven't been able to see flames from it ever since he got it. No? I've only been hearing it in the day, so I haven't been really seeing anything.
You think it does do flames?
Yeah. I mean, it's gotta be like the SVJs, right? It has the same motor. And the way that he revs it, he ain't no little... Yeah, that hurts a lot more than the SVJ.
Oh, yeah.
She got desperate. Women. Bro, that kid is just freaking out over there.
I mean, I kind of would be too.
That was me when I was younger. God damn, I feel like a car spotter now, right?
That's the jingle bell rock. Purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for Christmas is waiting. Shop into the drug and the show. Kids fly.
So I don't know how I didn't come talk about it, but we have the Valkyrie AMR Pro right here at the front center of the show. We also had the street car version, but the AMR Pro, I've only seen it in videos, and in person this car looks absolutely insane. Has so many details that you don't really get to see in videos, but this car is so low to the ground. That's one thing that I really noticed about it, and later on y'all are gonna see something on why it's so low, and it's a problem on being able to drive it on the street, or basically even maneuver it anywhere on the street.
What happened? Oh, that is G fucking. There is no power steering in that right now.
It's just struggling.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we basically ended up the Giving Grand Prix, and it was a pretty late night, so I forgot to do an outro, and right now I'm basically editing all the footage right now, but it was an absolutely insane event out there. I want to say a big massive shout out to the Exotics Network because they put on an insane event. They basically had supercars with lights out front of the parade laps at COTA, and then they had supercars and hypercars in the back. And once we went out to T11, there was some insane cars already there, like some Aston Martin Valkyries. There was the street car version, and there was also the AMR Pro. I did not expect to see that thing there, so a really special treat to be able to see that thing there. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications. Let me know how y'all liked all the drone footage above COTA, and I'll see y'all in the next one.